Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be upcycling this old headboard and turning it into a farmhouse style bench. I purchased this headboard at a thrift store for $2. I sanded the front of the headboard to remove any of the old dark stain and to uncover the beautiful oak wood beneath. We then had to build the bench. Using scrap lumber, we designed the bench frame and drilled holes for anchor supports. We framed it out and added support and the seat. I then filled the screw holes with wood putty and then gave the entire bench a good sanding. I washed it down with a wet rag and then followed up with a dry rag to remove any remaining sawdust. I used Kills primer over the parts that were hard to sand to prevent any bleed through of the old stain. Time to crack open the paint. I'm using Kills chalk style paint in Blue Jupiter. I was really pleased with this paint. It had really good coverage and was easy to apply. I applied 2 coats of the paint, and to finish up, I used Rust-Oleum protective top coat. And there you have it. I'm really pleased with how she turned out. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up.